Hello everyone, taking hair from one side and then making a ponytail at first. Then we're gonna fold it out once like this and making a braid out of it, joining it further to our ponytails and adding these clips. Next we're gonna start by taking hair from one side, making a ponytail, then folding it out once, dividing it into two braids joined with our ponies. Next, we're gonna take this high ponytail, adding a rubber band by folding it like this and then repeating the same step again and again till your beautiful braid is ready and completed. Next, we're gonna take this high ponytail and then by using this tool, we're gonna fold it out into a beautiful bun. After it's ready, you can apply any kind of accessories to it as per your choice. Here we have remained it as it is. It already looks so good and beautiful. Here we have taken this ponytail and then we are going to make this by using this elastic rubber band. Then dividing it into two and then we're going to take some hair like this and then passing it to the opposite side to make our braid. When it's ready, you can see we're going to secure it by using a rubber band and you're good to go.